Hello friends, today I am going to share some information about Limbadri Gutta, Laxmi Narsimha Swamy Temple importance. Nimbachala or Limbadri Laxmi Narsimha Temple is an ancient and popular temple in Purani Pet village, Bhimgal Mandal, Nizamabad, Telangana state. Nimbachala Narsimha Swamy Temple is a cave temple located on a hill named Nimbachalam, which means a hill full of neem trees. The main deity is Lord Narsimha Swamy, an avatar of Sri Vishnu with his consort Sri Mahalakshmi sitting on his left thigh, is accompanied by Nar Narayana and Parama Vaishnava Hanuman. Bhimgal is 61.3 kilometers from Nizamabad city, 171 kilometers from Hyderabad, 103 kilometers from Siddipet and 92.5 kilometers from Karimnagar. Nimbachalam is one of the few temples where Nar Narayan are worshipped, and here the deities are said to be Swayambhu, because Badrinath is another place where Nar Narayan are worshipped. Limbadri is also known as Dakshina Badrinath, residing in the sanctum. After Sri Krishna departed from this planet, leaving Yudhishthira and Arjuna in grief, Krishna is said to have appeared before Yudhishthira, saying, Dharmaraja, I am not disappearing from this mortal world. I, along with Arjuna, in the form of Nar Narayana, will be at Badrinath and Nimbachalam. You go to those places and worship me. According to Nimbachala Mahatma, by the order of Lord Rama, Anjaneya underwent tapasya here at Nimbachalam. Then by the order of Sri Laxmi Narsimha Swamy, he settled at the foot of the hill on the bank of Chintamani Kunda. Brahmotsavam in Kartika Masam, Narsimha Jayanti Utsavam in Vaishaka Masam, Pushya Saptavotsavam in Pushya Masam and Vasantotsavam on Falguna Purnima are the festivals celebrated in Limbadri Laxmi Narsimha Temple in a grand manner. The word Nimbachalam is the combination of two Sanskrit words, Nimba and Achalam. Nimba literally means neem tree and Achalam means one that does not has movement or life, that is a hill. As it was covered by neem trees, it got this name. Lord Laxmi Narsimha Swamy is our Kuldevat. This video is a token of gratitude towards the Lord Laxmi Narsimha Swamy. Laxmi Narsimha Swamy ki Jai.